स्टूडेंट, आज की वीडियो में हम ग्रेड 9 की एक्सरसाइज 1.2 पंजाब बोर्ड्स की जो बुक है मैथ की, उसकी एक्सरसाइज 1.2 करने लगे हैं। जो बच्चे चैनल पे नए, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, आगे शेयर करें ताकि आपको इस बुक की जो बाकिया जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं उनकी वीडियोस मिलती रहे, अपने कोर्स की वीडियो मिलती रहे, और ताकि आपके एग्ज़ाम की भरपूर तैयारी हो सके। इसमें जो पहला क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज 1.2 पंजाब बोर्ड्स की ग्रेड 9 की, जो पहला क्वेश्चन है इसमें है रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। इसमें हमने रेशनलाइजेशन करनी है। रेशनलाइजेशन का मतलब ये है कि हमने डिनोमिनेटर में से रेडिकल का साइन रिमूव करना है। What is mean by rationalization? Rationalization means we want to remove radical sign from denominator of the given value. For this purpose, what is the first step? This is the first part of question number 1. 13 by 4 plus under root 3. We want to remove radical sign from denominator. For this purpose, we multiply by the conjugate of this 4 plus under root 3. Its conjugate is 4 minus under root 3. We multiply numerator by 4 minus under root 3 and denominator by 4 minus under root 3. Rationalization mean we want to remove radical sign from denominator. For this purpose, what we can do, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this value. What is the conjugate? We can for conjugate we change this sign. Now we multiply numerator with denominator. 13 fours are 52 and 13 into under root 3, 13 under root 3, and in denominator we use formula a plus b, a minus b, first term plus second term, first term minus second term. This is equal to first term square minus second term square. Whenever we multiply two values and its first term are same, exactly same, and second term are also same, and they have one's positive sign in one term and negative sign in the second term, we can use this algebraic identity first term square minus second term square. So to cancel with this square root sign, in the next step, 52 minus 13 under root 3 divided by square of 4 is 16 minus 3. So next step, 52 minus 13 under root 3 divided by 13. Now we can see that 13 in common in the two terms of numerator. 52 is divisible by 13 and here is also 13, so we take 13 common, or this can be also written in this form: 52 by 13 minus 13 under root 3 by 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. So its answer is 4 minus under root 3. So it is the rationalized form of this question in which we can remove radical sign from its denominator. This is the answer of first part. The second part is under root 2 minus 1 by under root 5. Under root 2 minus 1 by under root 5, and for this we want to remove radical sign from denominator, so we multiply. Here is only one value, therefore we multiply numerator by under root 5 and denominator by also under root 5. So in numerator we will get, in numerator, under root 5 multiply under root 2 minus 1, and in denominator under root 5 multiply under root 5, we will get under root 5 whole square, and 2 with cancel this square sign. In next step we will get under root 5 multiply under root 2, both have under root sign, so therefore they can be written as under root 10, and under root 5 multiply minus 1, we will get under root 5 divided by 5. So this is the answer of question, and this is the rationalized form of under root 2 minus 1 by under root 5. We can remove radical sign from its denominator. We remove radical sign from its denominator. The next part, third one part, in this value we have 6 minus 4 under root 2 by 6 plus 4 under root 2. So in order to remove radical sign from denominator for rationalization, we multiply by the conjugate of numerator 6 minus 4 under root 2 by 6 minus 4 under root 2. Now numerator will multiply with numerator. 6 minus 4 under root 2 will multiply by 6 minus 4 under root 2. 6 minus 4 under root 2 multiply 6 minus 4 under root 2, and in denominator once again we use algebraic identity, first term plus second term, first term minus second term. It will be equal to first term square minus second term square, and in numerator this can be written as first term minus second term, first term minus second term. This can be written as first term minus second term whole square. This can be written in this way, and in denominator we have 6 square is 36 minus, and this square is the value square of 4 and under root 2. If we cancel this square with this square root sign, it means that we not take the square of 4, which is wrong. So to prevent this mistake, we should take square of 4 and also square of under root 2. Now this square is only this square root or square root 2, so this square cancel with this square root sign. In the next step, this is the first term minus second term whole square. It will be expand according to algebraic identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be equal to first term square minus 2, what is first term 6, what is second term 4 under root 2, and plus b square second term square 4 under root 2 whole square, and in denominator is 36, and square of 4 is 16. 16 multiply 2. 16 multiply 2. The next step, 6 square is 36, and 2 6 are 12, and 12 4s are 48. 48 under root 2 plus, and in this sake once again we take square of 4 and square root 2 square of square root 2. This 2 cancel with square root sign, and in denominator we have 36 minus 32, and next step 36 minus 48 under root 2 plus 4 square is 16 and multiply 2, and in denominator we have 36 minus 32, we will have 4. 36 minus 48 under root 2 plus 16 multiply 2 by 4. This now can be written as, here we can write this again, 36 minus 48 under root 2 plus 32 by 4. 36 plus 32, it will become 68 minus 48 under root 2 by 4. Now 68 and 48 both are divisible by 4, so we take 4 common. So 4 words are 4 17s are and 4 12s are. 17 minus 12 under root 2 by 4. So this 4 cancel with this 4. So answer is 17 minus 12 under root 2. This is the rationalized form of the third part. And the fourth part is here, 4 under root 3 by under root 7 plus under root 5. We want to rationalize this. For this purpose we multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of under root 7 plus under root 5. So we multiply it, under root 7 minus under root 5. We multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this under root 7 plus under root 5. So now numerator multiply with numerator, 4 under root 3 multiply under root 7 minus under root 5 divided by, in denominator we use once again algebraic identity, first term plus second term, first term minus second term. It will be equal to first term square minus second term square. So 2 with cancel the square root sign, 2 with cancel the square root sign. In next step we have 4 under root 3 bracket under root 7 minus under root 5, and in denominator we have 7 minus 5. The next step is 4 under root 3 bracket under root 7 minus under root 5 by 7 minus 5, 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So this is the rationalized form of this question, 2 under root 7 or bracket under root 7 minus under root 5. This is the answer of this question. Second question of this exercise is simplify the following. In the given question we want to simplify it into simplest form. We want to write this into simplest form. This is question number 1. Bracket 81 by 16 bracket close whole power minus 4 by 3. Its power is minus 4 by 3. By using laws of indices, properties of indices, we can write, if we can change, this is 81 by 16, if we will change and we write 16 by 81, its power, the sign of its power will be changed and it will become 3 by 4. What we can do, we change this, we can take the reciprocal of this fraction. This is 81 by 16, we write 16 by 81, and in this case its sign of its exponent will be changed, it will become positive. Now we know that 16, how we can write 16 is 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 multiply 3 by 4, and in denominator 81 is the power of 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 multiply 3 by 4, this 4 cancel with this 4 and this 4 cancel with this 4. So we have 2 power 3 and 3 power 3. So its answer is 2 power 3 is 8 and 3 power 3 is 27. So its answer is 28 by 27. In the next step, bracket minus 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 9 whole power 3 multiply 16 by 27. For this question we also take same step. This is 3 by 4. We can write 4 by 3 and its power, its exponent will become positive, divided by 4 by 9 whole power 3 multiply 16 by 27. The next step is, this can be written as 4 power 2 and 3 power 2 divided by, this can be written as 4 power 3 divided by 4 power 3 and divided by 9 power 3. multiply 16 by 27. Now 4 power 2 divided by 3 power 2. Now this multiply sign change into division sign change into multiply. So therefore this 4 power 3 comes to denominator 4 power 3, and denominator will shift it to numerator 9 power 3. Multiply 16 by 27. Next question, 4 power 2 divided by 3 power 2, multiply 9 power 3 divided by 4 power 3, multiply 16 by 27. 4 power 2 means 16, 3 power 2 means 9, 9 power 3 means 729, 4 power 3 64, multiply 16 by 27. 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64, 4 ones are 4, and 4 fours are 16, 9 ones are 9, and 9 81s are 729, 27 ones are 27, and 27 threes are 81. And now we have only 3 and 4, and 3 fours are 12. 12 is the answer of this question. The next part is third part, bracket 0.027 whole power minus 1 by 3. This can be written as 1 by this is 0.027 by 1. If we write this 1 by 0.027, its power will become plus 1 by 3. Its power will be changed, sign of its power will be changed. Now the next step, we remove point here, and after point there are 1, 2, 3 digits, so we place 30 in numerator and it will become 1000. We remove this decimal sign, and after decimal there are 1, 2, 3 digits, therefore we put 30 with this 1 and it become 1000. So this is 1000 by 27 whole power 1 by 3. Now this is a 1 by 3 power is of 1027. 1000 can be written as 10 power 3 multiply 1 by 3, and 27 can be written as 3 power 3 multiply 1 by 3. This 3 cancel with this 3, and this 3 cancel with this 3. So we have the answer. Simplest form of this question is 10 by 3. The next part of this question is part number 4. In this we have radical sign, and its index is 7, and its radicand is x power 14, y power 21, and z power 35, y power 14, and z power 7. This is the index, and this is called radicand. This can be written in exponential form in this way: x power 14 multiply 20 y power 21 multiply z power 35 divided by y power 14 z power 7 whole power 1 by 7. This is the exponential form of this radical form. Now we can see that they have same base, y power 21 and y power 14, they have same base y. Z power 35 and z power 7, they have also same base, and they are divided by each other, so their exponent should be subtracted. X power 14 y power 21 minus 14 and z power 35 minus 7 whole power 1 by 7. In the next step we can write x power 14 y power 7 and z power 28 whole power 1 by 7. So this power 1 by 7 is the power of these all three values. Therefore we can write x power 14 multiply 1 by 7 and y power 7 multiply 1 by 7 and z power 28 multiply 1 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So final answer is x power 2, x power 2, y power 1, which cannot be necessary to write, and z power is 4. So this is the simplest form of this question. The next part is part number 5. 64 power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 power minus 3 by 2. We know that 64 is the cube of 4, so it can be written as 4 power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3 divided by, and 9 is a square of 3, so 3 power 2 multiply minus 3 by 2. So 2 cancel with this 2 and 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So now we have 4 power minus 2. This divided, we can also by sign, our sign instead of divide. So 4 power minus 2 divided by 3 power minus 3. We want to write answer in positive exponent. So therefore its power is negative, it will be shifted to numerator, and its power is negative, so it will be shifted in denominator. So it is 3 power plus 3 divided by 4 power plus 2. 3 power 3 means 27 and 4 power 2 is 16. So this is the simplest form of this given question. The next part is part number 6. The next part is part number 6. In this part we want to write this into simplest form. So this is a 5 and 25. We know 25 is a square of 5, so it can be written as 5 power 2 bracket n plus 1 minus 25, and here is 5 power 2n divided by 5 dot mean multiply 5 power 2n plus 3 minus 25 can be written as 5 power 2 bracket n plus 1. Next step is we multiply this 2 within bracket with n plus 1, and this 2 with also with n plus 1. So next step is 5 dot mean multiply 5 power 2n plus 2 minus 25 dot 5 power 2n divided by 5 dot 5 power 2n plus 3 minus 5 power 2n plus 2. Now the next step is 5 power 2n plus 2 can be written as in this way: 5 power 2 n dot 5 power 2 minus 25 dot 5 power 2n. Similarly in denominator, 5 dot 5 power 2n dot 5 power 3 minus 5 power 2n dot 5 power 2. This can be written, these are bases are same and power added. In similar way, if we have the base is 5 and its power is 2n plus 2, it can be also can be written in this form: 5 power 2n multiply 5 power 2. Now in this term and this term, 5 power 2n is common, we take 5 power 2n common, remainder is 5 power 1 dot 5 power 2 minus 25. In denominator we also take 5 power 2n common, so remaining we have 5 power 1 and 5 power 3 and 5 power 2. Now this 5 power 2 cancel with this 5 power 2, and 5 power 1 and 5 power 2. 5 power 1 and 5 power 2 mean 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 minus 25, and 5 power 3 mean 125. 125 multiply 5, 625. 625 minus or 5 power 2 mean 25. So answer is 100 by 625 minus 25, 600. So 20 cancel with 20. The final answer is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the simplest form of this question. Next part is part number 8. 3 power n multiply 9 power n plus 1 and 3 power n minus 1 multiply 9 power n minus 1. This can be also, we can solve like above part. 3 power n multiply 9. 9 is the square of what? 9 is square of 3. So it can be written 3 power 2 bracket n plus 1 divided by 3 power n minus 1 can be written as 3 power n multiply 3 power minus 1, and this 9 power n minus n can also be written as 3 power 2 bracket n minus 1. Now this 3 power n and 3 power n will cancel each other, and this we multiply 2 within bracket, so 3 power 2n plus 2 divided by 3 power minus 1 multiply 3 power 2n minus 1. Now in next step we can write this 3 power 2n multiply 3 power 2 divided by 3 power minus 1 multiply 3 power 2n multiply 3 power minus 1. So now this 3 power 2n cancel with 3 power 2n, and these values have same base. 3 power 2 base is 3, 3 power minus 1 base is 3, and in this case base is 3. So they are same bases, so therefore they can be written as on one base 3 power 2, and this is negative sign, it will shift it to numerator, it become plus 1. This is also minus 1, it shifted to numerator, it become plus 1. So 3 power, the answer is 3 power 4, and 3 power 4 can be written as 81. So 81 is the answer of this question, and this is the simplest form of part number 8. The next part is 7th part. 16 whole power x plus 1 plus 20, 4 power 2x, 2 power x minus 3, 8 power x plus 2. 16, if we take the prime factorization of 16, and 16 is the 2 power 4. This can be written as 2 power 4 bracket x plus 1 plus 20, and 4 is the square of 2, so it can be written as 2 power 2 multiply 2x, and in denominator this is 2 power x minus 3, so it can be written as 2 power x dot 2 power minus 3 multiply 8. 8 can also, 8 is the cube of 2, so 2 power 3 bracket x plus 2. Now in the next step this 4 will multiply within bracket, so 2 power 4x plus 4 plus 20 multiply 2 power 4x. In numerator we have 2 power x multiply 2 power minus 3 multiply 2 power 3x plus 2 power 3 into 2, 6. Now we can write this 2 power 4x plus 4 can be written as 2 power 4x multiply 2 power 4. They are bases are same, so power added, and once again it can be written in this form, and this form is also can be written in this form, plus 20 multiply 2 power 4x, and in denominator this is a 2 power x multiply 2 power minus 3 multiply 2 power, this can be also written as 2 power 3x multiply 2 power 6. Now in denominator, here in this term we have a 2 power 4x, and in second term we have 2 power 4x, so we take 2 power 4x common, we take 2 power 4x common, so here is remainder is 2 power 4, and here is remainder, in this case in this term remainder is only 20, and in denominator 2 power x multiply 2 power x, they are multiplying with each other, 2 power x and 2 power 3x are both are multiplying with each other, so it become bases are same, so power are added, x plus 3x 2 power, it will become 2 power 4x, or multiply their bases are also 2 power minus 3 2 power 6, so it can be written as 2 power minus 3 plus 6. Now this 2 power x cancel with 2 power x, and 2 power 4 means 16 plus 20 divided by, it is 2 power minus 3 plus 6 2 power 3. So the next step 16 plus 20, it is 36, and 2 power 3 means 8, so both of them are divisible by 4 nines are 4 twos are, so its simplest form of this question is 9 by 2. This is the answer, and this is the simplest form of this question. The next 9 part, these all parts are same procedure will be followed in this question. This is 5 power n plus 3, this can be written as 5 power n multiply 5 power 3 minus 6, and this can be written as 5 power n multiply 5 power 1 divided by this 9 multiply 5 power n, this is one term, and 4 multiply 5 power n is the second term, and 5 power n is the common in these two terms, so we take 5 power n common, the remaining is 9 minus 4. We can take also 5 power n common in numerator, we take 5 power n common from these two term of numerator, this and this, 5 power n is common, and here is 5 power 3 minus 6 power 1 and 5 power 1 mean 5, and in denominator we have 5 power n, and 9 minus 4, the answer is 5. So 5 power n cancel with 5 power n, 5 power 3 mean 125, 5 multiply 5, 6 5 is 30 divided by 5. Now we subtract 30 from 125, the answer is 95 divided by 5. When we divide 95 by 5, we will get 19. So simplest form of this question is 19. This is the simplest form of this part.